Hi, this is the Xiaomi 13T Pro and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open first the box. Flat chalk. And we can see here the USB Type-C cable, the original charger, Xiaomi charger brick with all of the specifications. Let's open also this paper box. Here we got the SIM jack tool, this quick start guide, the safety guide, and the warranty card, some paperwork, and also we got here the silicone protective case. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.